holiday at Jumeirah, Sofitel Jumeirah Hotel. Yes, finally, after all the things that happened in Dubai, we're going there for a short vacation or staycation in the hotel. So let's go! Wait. So here is our driver. Are you excited to go to Dubai? Eh? Are you excited to swim? Let's go to Dubai.
Exit 16 in direction of E311, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed.
We're here at Jumeirah. Ayan yung 5 combo. We can walk here later. We're here. Hi, we're here at Sofitel Jumeirah Hotel.
Yeah, we already checked in. Nak, say hi. Hi. Okay, we will go to the room na. Sa hallway. Isa, are you happy? Yeah, are you excited? Ano yung outfit mo? Outfit check. Nak, outfit check.
Basic.
She wants to remove her shoes na. Excited for the carpeted floor. There's a welcome note. Dear Mr. Robbie Paolo Capatan. Hello everyone. Nak, where are we? Time check 5:30 and nakapag-nap na kami. Mainit kasi kanina so hindi kami lumabas. Ngayon, ready na kami. Si Isa nakabihis na din. And I will show you her outfit. Say hi ka. Say hi. Hi. Swimming. Oh, where is your swimming slippers? Oh, show daddy. Come here. Galing, oh. Kaya mag-isa, oh. She's wearing even sandal straps. Girl na yan. Oh.
Hawak kay daddy ah. Sit down, sit down.
Ayun pala.
Sit down, Lak, sit down.
Hi guys, so now nakabanlaw na kami, nakabihis na ulit,
Naka-wash up and...
wash up na, and guess where we're going? Samgyupsal! Kakain kami ng samgyup. Wow! Beautiful view. Isa is happy. Are you happy?
Yes!
Yay!
Yay!
Hop, hop, hop! Where are we going? Where are we going? Huh? Para kami sigurong nasa alam mo yung BGC. Ganun yung feeling kasi tabi-tabi yung mga restaurant. Wow. The beach.
Two minutes na lang.
Lapit na kami.
Nandun tayo sa Korean barbecue restaurant.
Samgyupsal.
Sakto, gutom na gutom ka. Mapaparami ng kain.
Ganda dito. Para ka nasa beach.
Buhay na buhay, no?
Oo,
City
buhay na buhay.
place talaga.
Hindi ka mauubusan. Lahat is
Worth seeing.
lahat is
Napakal colorful and bright. Very vibrant.
Yun na, nakikita ko na.
Nasa na?
Ayun. The mukbang show.
Mukbang. Ayun na siya,
Paano
guys.
pupunta dun?
Here, mukbang shows. Ah, sige.
Go there.
Yes, ayan o. Ang daming hagdan bago kumain na. Ang daming steps. Oo. Tumingin ka lang ah.
Bago makarating sa taas, akit ka muna ng hagdan.
Stairway to heaven.
Papagurin ka muna bago ka makatikim ng samgyupsal.
May ganun sa Korea sa palabas na panood. Doon sa pinakamasarap na pork barbecue. Ang taas ng hagdan. Yay! We're here!
We're here na. Ngayon na ulit makakatikim ng samgyupsal. So we ordered the Daegu set with Korean fried chicken. Unlimited na. Smile ka.
Isa!
Tapos na kami kumain. Grabe, busog na busog. Samgyupsal pa more.
Highly recommended, no?
Highly recommend. Oh.